Welcome to today's exploration of the fascinating world of cinnamon tea at night. Have you ever pondered the effects of sipping a warm cup of cinnamon tea just before bedtime? Is it merely a soothing nightcap, or could it hold the key to enhanced health? In this video, we unravel the mysteries surrounding cinnamon tea, exploring its potential benefits and discerning between tradition and science. Let's start with blood sugar control, a crucial aspect influenced by cinnamon tea. Compounds like cinnamaldehyde, highlighted in a 2015 study in the American Journal of Chinese Medicine, enhance insulin sensitivity, helping maintain stable blood sugar levels. Proanthocyanidin, as demonstrated in a 2022 study, slows carbohydrate digestion, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar. Polyphenols in cinnamon, per a 2022 study in Nutrients, may improve cellular glucose uptake, contributing to better blood sugar regulation. Moving on to anti-inflammatory effects, cinnamon's diverse compounds, including eugenol and cinnamic acid, exhibit anti-inflammatory properties, inhibiting proteins and enzymes that trigger inflammation, as revealed in a study in Biomedicine and Pharmacotherapy in 2021. Cinnamon's positive impact on heart health is another compelling reason to incorporate it into your nightly routine. Compounds like cinnamic acid and flavonoids work together to reduce inflammation and cholesterol levels, potentially lowering the risk of heart disease and stroke, according to a 2017 study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry. Delving into neuroprotective effects, cinnamon's compounds, such as cinnamaldehyde, epicatechin, and cinnamic acid, show promise in inhibiting the buildup of proteins associated with Alzheimer's disease, as highlighted in a 2018 study in Pharmacological Research. The potential for cancer prevention adds another layer to the benefits of cinnamon tea. Antioxidant compounds like proanthocyanidin combat cellular damage by neutralizing harmful free radicals, as emphasized in a 2023 study in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences. Cinnamon tea also contributes to immune system support. Compounds like eugenol and polyphenol antioxidants boost immune function, helping the body fight off pathogens, as indicated in a 2017 study in the Journal of Immunology Research. For those interested in weight management, cinnamon's polyphenols may enhance lipid metabolism, potentially aiding in breaking down fats more efficiently, as shown in a 2017 study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry. The antibacterial properties of cinnamon, particularly essential oils like cinnamaldehyde and proanthocyanidin, make it beneficial for dental health. These compounds combat oral pathogens, reducing the risk of gum disease and tooth decay, as outlined in studies from 2020 and 2019. Cinnamon's potential to ease menstrual discomfort is supported by its anti-inflammatory agents, such as eugenol and flavonoids, which can relax muscles and blood vessels, as seen in a 2015 study in the Iranian Red Crescent Medical Journal. When it comes to relaxation and sleep, several compounds in cinnamon, including eugenol, linalool, and methylchavicol, contribute to a calming effect, promoting a good night's sleep, as suggested by research in the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine in 2015. Intriguingly, cinnamon may have benefits for male reproductive health. Its anti-inflammatory properties, according to a 2015 article in the Iranian Red Crescent Medical Journal, could create a more favorable environment for sperm development. To prepare cinnamon tea, opt for Ceylon cinnamon over cassia cinnamon due to lower coumarin levels. Boil 1 cup of water, add a cinnamon stick or 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, steep for 8 to 10 minutes, and optionally add honey or lemon for flavor. However, it's essential to consider who should avoid cinnamon tea. Pregnant women, individuals with liver conditions, those with hypoglycemia, surgery patients, and those on specific medications should exercise caution or consult healthcare professionals before incorporating cinnamon tea into their routine. In conclusion, the journey into the world of cinnamon tea reveals a myriad of potential health benefits. Whether it's for blood sugar control, heart health, neuroprotection, cancer prevention, immune support, weight management, dental health, menstrual comfort, relaxation, sleep, or reproductive health, cinnamon tea presents itself as a versatile and holistic addition to your nightly ritual. As with any health practice, moderation is key, and consulting with a healthcare professional is advised, especially for those with existing health conditions or on medication. Here's to your next cup of cinnamon tea, a delightful blend of tradition, taste, and tantalizing health benefits. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe and, of course, share it with your friends.